Hello guys, welcome back. Today is Sunday and I am at Ulta hoping that they have a bunch of new stuff because I saw they were getting in the new Kylie cosmetic stuff today, and there's a couple things I've been waiting to see in stores. I'm not sure if we'll find them because on the app it says they're available but they're not available for pickup, so sometimes that means they don't have it on the floor yet, but there's supposed to be a lot of new launches. Like, I know that online has a lot and there's a lot of things I want, so we're gonna go in today and hopefully they have some new stuff. If not, I might upload this later and see if they put it out throughout the week. So we will see, fingers crossed. Let's see what we can find. First up, walking in, we have the new Ariana Grande scent that just came out today, God is a Woman. This store didn't have like the best display for it, but you can kind of get an idea for what it looks like. Really pretty packaging. I did end up buying this, so you'll see a little bit more about it later. And then they're also running this promotion. You get a free bag with a $60 fragrance purchase, which includes the Ariana Grande scent, so you can do this online or in store. Next up, into the high-end section, we have the new Urban Decay Vice lipsticks. They recently redid their whole Vice collection again. These are $19. They are a vegan formula as well. They have some of their classic shades and some new ones. And there's a couple different finishes. Some of them matte. There's a shine, a cream, so kind of similar to their old formula. And then they also had a few more down here, some new shades. And they also had some lip glosses, like a plumping gloss. I was pretty curious about these as well. The Plumping Shine Balm for $20. Next up, we have these Epic Kiss Vegan Butter Lipsticks from Kvd. These also I'm very intrigued about. They didn't have the testers there, but you can kind of see the shades. This one is Womankind, one of the neutrals in the collection. These are $22 each, and then here's more of the kind of fun, crazy shades in the collection as well. And then we have the Kylie section. So this store had the fully stocked new Kylie stuff. There's the eyeliner pencils. We have the lip kits. So they recently had to rebrand, and this is what the new finished look is like. It's supposed to be updated formulas and everything. So I decided to go ahead and try some of it out and see what it's like. Because I did buy like the first launch of Kylie back in the day, and I haven't bought much lately. But that's what the packaging looks like. So it's very similar to her old launches. Everything just has the blush pink now, and here is some high glosses from her. Again, all new formulas. There's highlighters, blush, and bronzer as well. Kind of wish she did a little bit more with the packaging to change it up, but it still looks cute, and I'm excited to try out the new formulas. So I did pick up a few things from this collection. Her skincare stuff was there as well. I'm not sure if that's a new formula as well or if it's just the same stuff, but I thought I would show it. And then they have new Bare Minerals palettes, the Mineralist palettes. These look super similar to their older ones, the 6 pans that are very popular from them, but they have different colors and different packaging. So curious about these as well because I do like their older ones. And then these cheek palettes from NARS look so pretty. I saw them online. I'm really liking this one. The Basic Instinct Cheek number 1. It looks so beautiful. Here is the packaging. They are, I think, $39. There's supposed to be a new eyeshadow palette coming out too, but they didn't have it. And then IT Cosmetics has some new serums out. There's 4 new Bye Bye serums. They actually sent these over to me, so I need to try them because they look really good. There's one for dullness, lines, pores, and also dark spots. So this looks like a really cool launch from it. And then we have new Tree Hut scrubs. Finally, the Margarita Citron is brand new, and the Desert Haze. They had this pink champagne one as well, but I think that one has been out prior. We also have this Kopari section. I think Kopari, I don't know. They've been on Ulta for a while, but they have some new stuff. This whole display wasn't totally full yet. They have the new Spritz Mist, which I love. It's like their fragrance mist. It is so good. They sent that one over. And then their coconut body scrub is incredible as well. So they had a few new things, including some like skincare things. And then we have the Wellness Shop. This looked new at my store. They have a ton of new wellness brands in this area that I've never even heard of. There's so many. I was curious about this fur collection. It's kind of centered around like your hair and shaving and stuff like that. So I wanted to show this section because I thought it looked really cool. There's lots of new stuff there. And they have these like Tony Moly masks up front, as well as all of these Freeman Beauty masks as well, and the Clean It Zero cleansing balm. And I was so So shocked to see the Wet n Wild Saved by the Bell collection here already, like, untouched. There's an eyeshadow palette, there's a mascara, a setting spray. So kind of similar to how they did their SpongeBob collection with a ton of new things in it. They are actually sending this my way, so let me know if you guys want me to do a review. Although I haven't really seen the show. I've heard of the show, just never really watched it. Let me know if you still want to see it. I just hope I don't butcher it because I'm not familiar with the characters. But look how cute that is. Look at these duos. It is so cute. And then the bottom, they had a little brush and a makeup bag too. Such a cute collection. They also have the Powerpuff Girls collection in store, which is super exciting. You guys know I love this one. The palette is so good, you guys. And the blushes, so cute. So you can now find this inside Ulta. I know a lot of you guys wait until ColourPop does their Ulta launches. Those sticks are amazing too. And then we have some new BH stuff, the Say It collection. BH is always coming out with awesome new palettes. I love their travel series. But that's like a little brush set, and then they also have these eyeshadow palettes. I'm going to show you guys the colors in the next clip. The first one didn't have the colors out, but the next store I went to had like the display pieces. But these are $15 a piece. Here they are opened up so you can see the inside of them. But BH always has great shadow quality. We also have here the e.l.f. Putty Bronzers finally in store. I've been hunting these down for a while. We have the e.l.f. Big Mood mascara too. We saw this at Target, but is also at Ulta. I noticed they don't have their electric collection here though, so that must be only at Target. And then we have new Maybelline launches, the Hyper Easy Brow Pencil. Curious about this. And then this Perfector 4-in-1 Glow, like almost foundation primer. Super viral right now. And then from Makeup Revolution, we have the Turn Up the Heat collection, which is a bunch of like neons. This looked new, but I'm not totally sure. So I went ahead and showed these cute little palettes for $8 because they look really fun. All right, so I do have a Ulta haul for you guys. I decided to switch cameras because I actually have a decent size haul. They ended up having a lot more stuff than I was expecting, and I did find the Kylie stuff, so I got like a few things from the line to try out. So here's all the Kylie stuff I got. I'll go ahead and share this with you first. I decided to restock on some of my favorites from the line. I did really like her liquid lipsticks. I had a couple shades that I really liked, including this one in Bear. So I picked up her new lip kit. She didn't really change much of the packaging or anything. It's still pretty much the same with just pink packaging. This is what the liquid lipstick looks like. And the lip liner. This is my favorite nude color from them. I'm curious to see how different the formula is, if it is much difference. Oh man. The smell is different, that's for sure. I kind of like the smell of her older ones. But these are like a light vanilla scent. This is what it looks like. And they seem really moussey, and of course the lip liner to go with it. So I just picked up one lip kit so far. The Bear is my favorite. Second favorite, I was almost gonna buy the Coco K one, but I decided I should only buy one. I did pick up one of the new blushes to try out. Her old blush formula I found to be super light and not very pigmented, so I'm hoping this is better. I got the shade Winter Kiss, which I believe is an older shade she had, so I think it's supposed to be the same shade. Pretty much everything is the same names. I've never had this one, but I've always wanted it because it's like a really pretty baby doll pink. So this is what the blushes look like now, and they don't have the drip inside. They just have this little drip piece that comes out, and then oh wow, these are very soft, very creamy, and this is a super light baby doll pink, so one of the lighter ones in the collection, but the formula honestly feels really smooth. Seems like it has pretty good pigmentation. Next, I got a bronzer. I wasn't sure what shade to go with, but I did get khaki. So this is khaki. I think this color will work out. It's a really pretty cool tone bronzer. I didn't notice I had a weird orange line on my hand for some reason. What even is that? I have no idea. Anyways, it should look a little bit better once my tan has faded off. It'll match me more. And then I did pick up this highlighter because it looked really pretty. This is in Princess Please. This highlighter has the Kylie name just imprinted all over, and that one is a super icy color. Those are the 4 products I got from the line to kind of test out and see how it is with the new rebrand. Next, I did get 2 more lip products. I just couldn't resist. These were both new. So I picked up one of the new Urban Decay lipsticks. I've been dying to kind of try these. I feel like Urban Decay has redone their Vice lipsticks. I think it's been 3 times now. Kind of excessive. I know they have such a good thing going for them, so they don't want to like change the name maybe because it's such a well-known one. It's kind of like with their naked palettes, it's always naked, but they've come out with a new formula. It says high impact vegan lipstick, so I'm not sure what's supposed to be different than the past ones. It just says high impact color, lightweight, satiny cream finish, full coverage in one single swipe. I just picked up this shade Oat Milk because it looked like a really pretty color. I've been looking for some sort of just like really light nude. I actually have this one on now. I should reapply it, but this is perfect, exactly what I was looking for, and the formula is really nice on these. So I just wanted a really light nude lipstick, and this one is perfect, and this is a new shade for the Vice line. Of course, they do have some of their just classic shades as well, like Back Talk is one they always come out with. But yeah, I got one of the new ones in the cream formula. There's a matte formula, and then they also have some new glosses in the collection. But I do think the packaging is really cute on these. I'm just not sure why they keep doing the Vice thing rather than making like a new line, but I guess they're trying to keep it updated and fresh with the new packaging and everything. And then these are new from Kvd Vegan Beauty. I decided I would go ahead and pick one up. This is the Epic Kiss Nourishing Vegan Butter Lipstick. This is in She Defined, I believe it's called. This is actually very similar to the old Kvd lipstick packaging, but in white because it has the little studs all over it. So this is one that kind of twists up to get your product out, and it looks like a nice, just like super shiny lipstick. So I'm really happy with that color I picked. It looks beautiful. The other nude shade in the line, it looked really orange, so this is pretty much perfect. I do have a bunch of drugstore makeup here too, but first I want to get into some body and perfume stuff. So this was another main reason I went to the stores today, for the Kylie launch and also this perfume launch, which is from Ariana Grande, her new fragrance, God is a Woman. I have like an obsession with Ariana Grande perfumes. I've loved pretty much every single one that has come out. I even have the Thank You Next 2.0, which I featured in my celebrity perfumes video. This is what the bottle looks like. With Ariana's fragrances, she always has her perfume inside something, and it does come out, so you can display it like this, or you can have the pretty packaging along with it. And I did get the smaller size, and I'm really liking the scent of this one so far. Before I read you the notes and stuff, I want to tell you what it smells like to me. But this reminds me a lot of Cloud. So if you guys like kind of those notes that are in Cloud that are so like light, airy, but sweet, you guys will really like this one. But it also has almost this fresh vibe to it as well. I really do like this one a lot. It's kind of a mix too of her Cloud with the Thank You Next 2.0, because that one is super fresh. I like this one a lot better than the 2.0. I don't know, I just did not love that one from her. I love Cloud, but this one is a close second. So it's kind of like a sister to Cloud. It's definitely not as floral as I was expecting, because with the God is a Woman, you'd think it'd be very mature and floral, but this one definitely is a really pretty, fresh, sweet, delicious scent from Ariana Grande. Her scents usually always hit it out of the park for me, so I'm really liking that one. But I did want to read the notes if you guys are curious. It's described as a fruity musk scent, and it has top notes of ambrette, juicy pear, middle notes of orris, Turkish rose petals, base notes of Madagascar vanilla, and creamy cedarwood. But super pretty. I think if you guys like Cloud, you would definitely like that one. And then I have been on the mad hunt for these scrubs. I saw them sneak peeked early on Instagram, and I was like, I need those. So I've been checking my stores like every week, and they did not put them out early, but they were out today. and it is these new scrubs from Tree Hut. Finally, some new scents, so I picked up both of them. First being the Desert Haze. These are gonna be sold out so fast, you guys, so definitely run to your stores to grab them. I saw them online as well, so I will link them down below. But Tree Hut makes some of my favorite body scrubs. They are always selling out. They're super viral on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Everyone loves them because they give a really nice, almost, it's like a coarser scrub, but it's also very moisturizing, and just the texture is my favorite. Now, people were saying that this smells a lot like Bath & Body Works in the Stars, so I was really excited to try it because I love that scent. It's very beautiful. It's light though, for sure. It's not super strong. This one says it smells like a warm, smoky floral with key notes of raspberry, sheer jasmine, and musk. But yeah, it's very light. I do almost get, maybe it wasn't Into the Stars, maybe it was Into the Night that it smells like, because I'm getting more Into the Night vibes. I think it is. I think it's more Into the Night, but lighter. Interesting. Okay, so that's the Desert Haze. And then we got this fruity one, which is kind of interesting. They released that one for like late summer. This seems like it would be an early summer type of scent. This is the Margarita Citron scrub from them. Let's smell this one. Ooh, that one is very fresh lime. Reminds me of like a, for sure, like a lime margarita or like a lime candy. Really delicious. So that one is the Margarita Citron, and these are the brand new Tree Hut scrubs you can find at Ulta. And then in this bag, I have a few drugstore products I wanted to share with you that is new at Ulta as well. So first up, we have this guy from Maybelline, which has been going viral again on TikTok because everyone has been comparing this as a dupe to the Charlotte Tilbury. Is it called the Flawless Filter? I think it is, but basically it's a really glowy makeup primer light foundation. It's described as a primer, concealer, highlighter, BB cream, so all in one. I was at my stores. Luckily I bought this earlier, so I didn't buy this today. I bought this like a week ago at Ulta, but now it's like sold out. But I got the 01 light shade. Let me know if you guys want to see if this is a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury. I still have that product. It's not my favorite because I have oily skin, but it does make a really pretty primer, so maybe I'll have to do like a dupes video. And then I also grabbed the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. They finally have this in the Ulta store, so I grabbed Honey Drip. I'm so excited to try this out. I really liked the e.l.f. Putty blushes, so I'm hoping that these are just as good. I feel like I've heard very mixed reviews on them. I've been waiting for a good drugstore cream bronzer to come up. Ooh, that's really light. I know with the blushes, I always have to go for the darker shades because of the pigmentation. This one's definitely one you're gonna have to build up. I think the tone is nice though, and it seems to dry down to a powder finish, which is good. But we'll have to see how that works on the skin. I do want to do a testing new drugstore makeup video. But that is going to actually conclude that haul. A lot of fun stuff at Ulta right now. I'll have everything linked down below. I was able to use my points on some of this order, which was nice. But I just, they had so many good new things. So I went a little crazy. Lots of good drugstore stuff, new fragrances and body scrubs. I'm here for it. So that is gonna be it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.